you receive?
Receive 77.
I gotta power wash this thing. A lot of bugs over here. 3 minutes late. I had it down for 10:30.
You have to take it, put it on and off test.
What do you need a?
Yeah, this one has a bunch of devices.
Another one.
So the bedrooms have stuff. Let me go get my pole with the magnet on it. I think we might need it.
That works.
You got two of them.
Two of what?
The new adjustable firelight panels.
Oh, nice.
Very expensive though. You know, he's doing Star Wars style.
I just put that on like that little string.
Careful if that thing snaps.
I know. They leave it here. I don't like it.
Well, just watch your
Yeah.
your goods. You're standing.
Yeah.
Alright, so you want to just do all the units first and then
Yeah, that's
the
cool.
common areas?
Ladder 1's on scene.
Thanks
77.
to you guys.
Well, let me see what I'm saying.
I think the units are just heat, but you can give me that.
Hi, how you doing? I'm just gonna check your heat detector real quick.
Okay, that's fine. Come on.
You,
Hey, do you have counts on this one?
Mark?
Affirmative. Alright.
Hey, Mark. We're here for the fire alarm detection. Did you forget about that? What did you say? Oh. Doesn't that, it won't, you don't have to get out of your bedroom. You just gotta go to your kitchen real quick. All right? Sorry, buddy. We left a notice for you.
Nope. 10-4.
More money if it did.
Thank you. We'll see you Wednesday.
Okay.
Hey, Mark.
Bedroom leaked again this weekend.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, it flooded again.
What happened to your leg, buddy?
I rolled a golf cart and got my leg caught under it, so it's pretty fucked up. Got some blisters and wounds, and I don't know if I need surgery yet. They're gonna let me know.
Okay. Here, we'll just check it real quick over here. I'll have Jerry come. Is it wet over here still or no?
No, I think I dried most of it.
Okay.
Sorry, it's fucking pigsty.
Don't worry about it, buddy. What happened with the golf cart? You going too fast?
Yeah, I drove it.
All Major 1 back quarter.
Is there any alcohol involved?
Let me see what you want.
All right, buddy. I'll have.
You wanna hit up the police station, go for it.
Alright. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Holy shit.
I'll get sick, I can't look at it. I don't have that kind of stomach. Alright. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, see that? That's fucking nasty. All those bubbles and
Who were you
shit.
playing with?
Super fucking painful.
Who were you playing with?
Oh, a couple buddies from our league.
Where's the league out of? So there's another pool station by the panel if you wanna hit that one.
Yeah.
Is that Riverbend?
No, we used to play Riverbend.
Oh, I like that choice.
I do too. They're playing there for each
Post it coming at you.
They just got new cars and they're particularly fast. They'll throw you far off.
Well, I hope you feel better, buddy. Is it getting better?
Slowly going down. There's two like puncture holes that are super fucking painful. Any weight on the leg is painful, so.
We'll get some rest and we'll work on that outside for you.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay.
Can I call you back, buddy? Thanks.
It was deadly.
How you doing, buddy? How's it going, bud? It's going good. Can I do Mike's real quick? Yeah, go ahead. Is he home? No.
You want me to do that before the group?
It doesn't, they're friendly, so. We gotta do this every September.
Yeah, that's all good. I used to work for a property management company.
Oh,
I used to
really?
be well, not the owner, but I used to have to represent
Do it all, yeah.
this and the sprinkler systems.
It's a lot.
All good.
All good. All good, thank you, buddy.
Have a great day, guys.
We're just gonna do his real, I don't know if you wanna,
He's all good.
yeah. I just didn't know if you wanted to watch us, you're friendly with him, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good, buddy. It's all good though. He doesn't. And it's same thing here if we weren't here. It's
Yeah.
But have a great day, guys.
Thanks, you too. How you doing? Good, we're just gonna check it real quick. Axel! Axel! Axel? Hello?
Ladder 1 to file.
Phone session, ladder 1.
No active alarms at this time. Meet at the residence. No readings throughout. Ladder 1 for service return.
Fire alarm received?
Mr. Works.
it's one thing in common areas to have that,
Yeah.
but the whole,
It'd be too much to fix now, right?
it would, because you have to pull all the wire back through the pipe and you're basically starting from scratch. Actually, it's worse than starting from scratch.
So you just got the common areas left?
I did all of them while you were chatting with that guy. These batteries fail. Do you want me to swap them out now and then just charge you for the batteries?
Did they fail?
Oh yeah,
Yes.
like 2020.
Yeah,
How long do they fucking last?
3 years.
So
For
yeah,
code.
replace them and then.
So
we'll just-
I can throw them in there and then we'll just send you
You
a
have 'em?
separate invoice.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, let me go grab them.
There you go, John. Do you want to pull the alarm for the first time?
Oh yeah, go for it.
What one is it?
Right there next to the pull box.
Why, is it ready to get done?
I'll find out. Now you can tell your wife, yep, I pulled the alarm today.
Alright, good.
Just pull it down?
Yep. Push and pull.
You gotta push the center in. And there you go.
Even if I reset it?
Yeah, key.
Alright, let me get out of here.
Hey, do you have a Sharpie?
Affirmative.
That's it.